Welcome to this soothing heart chakra meditation. Allow me to guide you to unlock and balance the fourth chakra, the one that connects you to the power of love. Find a cozy location where you can easily pay no mind to the world around you. Making sure you are in a comfortable position, take a nice, slow breath in and exhale peacefully. You may close your eyes at any time. When you balance the chakras by meditating on them, concentrating all of your focus on each individually, you begin to see the events in your life as symbolic, with beautiful lessons to be learned. Take a nice deep breath in and let it go. Allow each breath to relax you. Breathe in and out. In and out. Feel a gentle wave of relaxation sweeping over your entire body. Now bring your focus to the heart chakra in the very center of your strong chest, colored with a lush green like that of nature. In the very center of your strong chest, colored with a lush green like that of nature. Bring all of your awareness to the very center of your chest, connecting you with the love within. You can visualize it in the shape of a six-sided star, interlaced with beautiful patterns. It is glowing in a leafy green in the very center of your chest. Now, imagine that you can spin this chakra just by thinking about it. Watch as it increases in speed, shining its fresh green color until it possibly cannot go any faster. Repeat this mantra 5 times. I choose love. 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 Breathe deeply, seeing the heart chakra glowing so brightly. And watch as you breathe. It expands and grows in size, extending far out from your body. Feel the power of deep, true love being accessed right now. How would you describe the feeling of the heart chakra? It is opening your chest, allowing your inner love to radiate out to everyone across the world. The power of your love is endless. It flows from the depths of your spirit infinitely. The feeling of pure love is caressing your entire chest area. You can clearly see the heart chakra fully open and free. Feel it spinning with lime and green light. Good. Take a full breath in, and as you inhale, imagine you are pulling in the energy from the earth and heavens through the center of your chest. Total love is cascading through your entire body, gently illuminating all of the other chakras as well, giving them the power of love to move and open. You hear the words, "My heart is simply flawless." Good. The heart chakra is now completely open and ready to connect your inner love with the love of the world around you in all that you do. Feeling a passion you had once forgotten, returning to your heart and mind. Breathe in deeply again. Once more, breathe in, inhaling and exhale. Beautiful. Gently bring your attention to the current moment. Feel your chest expanding with love as you breathe. Open your eyes with a new appreciation for your life experience, more connected to love than ever before.